Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 trigger isn't working, it can be quite frustrating. This issue typically arises due to wear and tear or a malfunction in the internal components. If left unattended, it may lead to decreased cleaning efficiency and could potentially damage other parts of your vacuum. This guide will help you understand how to resolve this issue. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement trigger compatible with the Dyson V11, and some patience. First, ensure your Dyson V11 is unplugged and turned off. Begin by locating the screws that secure the casing. Use your Phillips screwdriver to gently remove these screws, taking care to place them in a safe location. As you remove the casing, be cautious not to force it off as there may be clips holding it in place. With the casing removed, your next step is to identify the faulty trigger mechanism. It is typically found near the top of the vacuum, where the trigger is located. Inspect for any visible damage or disconnections. If you do spot any, it's time to extract the faulty component. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry it out, ensuring you do not damage the surrounding components. Once it's out, take your replacement trigger and align it properly before pressing it into place. Make sure it clicks securely. Now, it's important to reconnect any cables that may have been disconnected during the process. Be gentle when handling these wires to avoid causing any further issues. After you've replaced the trigger and reconnected the necessary cables, it's time to reassemble your Dyson. Carefully place the casing back onto the vacuum, ensuring all clips are secure and that it sits flush with the rest of the unit. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but firmly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, plug in your Dyson V11 and test the trigger to ensure it's functioning correctly. It should now respond smoothly as intended. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, it's advisable to keep your vacuum clean and free of debris, regularly checking for any signs of wear. Additionally, avoid using the vacuum for prolonged periods without breaks, as this can lead to overheating and further issues. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.